Hi, I'm Todd Demetrician. I'm an engineer at Moulton Niguel Water District, and I'm joined today by Matt Crowell, Inspection Supervisor, and Mr. Dan West, our Distribution System Supervisor. And we'd like to tell you a little bit about the district's Reservoir Management System Replacement Program. The district is in the process of systematically replacing its reservoir management systems at all 21 of our potable water reservoir sites. The program is being done in phases to minimize disruption to the district's operations. And it's a bit of a jigsaw puzzle considering operational limitations and the other projects that are planned at these sites. So Matt, can you tell us a little bit more about the project?
Sure. So we recently completed the first phase of this program. We're standing here today at our Moulton Niguel site. It's one of the first sites as part of the first phase. The project involves upgrading and modernizing our existing infrastructure. These systems will help ensure consistently high quality of water to all of our customers. Dan's going to walk us around and have a look inside.
These systems contain numerous components, including storage tanks, pumps, mixing systems, analytical equipment, electrical gear, and controls. All this is housed in an upgraded weatherproof enclosure.
All right, thanks, Dan. So it's been our pleasure to give you a glimpse into one of the many projects the district is doing to maintain our infrastructure in peak condition and to ensure the highest possible level of service to our customers. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.